Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. That will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a BMW X1. Let's say you have a BMW X1 guys and you have a message on the dash that says add engine oil or low oil level, or your oil light is yellow guys. We will explain what can cause that and how to fix it. But make sure to stand till the end. Why? Because let's say you add engine oil and you still get that warning. We will explain what part causes that and what needs to be fixed in that case. Now we'll demonstrate on an engine that has been used in multiple BMWs, X1, X3, 3 Series, 5 Series, 1 Series guys, but it will work on multiple engines, gasoline and diesel engines. As you know, BMW actually guys stopped using dipsticks in many of their engines. You don't have a dipstick. All we have to do to check the oil level is through the inside of the dash, and we'll have a video on the channel that actually explains how to do that, and I'll try to put the link in the description of the video below. Another thing guys, if you need to buy any parts, tools, we'll share the links in the description of the video below for your convenience, so check it out guys. If you need to buy something, you can find the price for a really good price and quick shipping, and that's where we get all our tools and parts from. And second, every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission here at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. That way we can keep providing this free information. So let me explain what we have here now guys. This is N52 engine that can be found in multiple BMWs. As I said, this is where you add your engine oil. You can see this is the cap. Okay, BMW engine oil cap right here. But now the problem is guys, okay, let's say you don't have a dipstick anywhere. Let's say you get that message on the dash and it tells you need to add engine oil. And you add engine oil and you still get the message. At that point guys, what you do, you get frustrated because you don't know exactly how much oil is in the oil pan. You actually drain the oil all the way, and that way you will know you can start fresh, and you put the amount of oil that the manual says that engine needs. In some cases, for instance, this engine is 7 liters of oil, I think it was. And you put the necessary amount and you still get that message. There is guys a sensor underneath the car. Okay, it's on the oil pan, on the bottom of the oil pan. Let me get there quick. And I'm talking about, okay, this sensor right here. This sensor is for your oil level guys. This sensor tells the car exactly, okay, the engine computer, how much oil you have. And that's the sensor that you use to actually measure how much oil you have, and tells you on the dash as well. This is your dipstick practically guys, electronic dipstick. But if it fails, it may not send the correct information. It will send wrong information and it may malfunction guys, so that will be the reason for that. If you need to buy a new one, we'll put the link in the description of the video below. Please check it out guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you trying to figure this thing out. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.